In this tutorial, I'll show you how to model and render a drum and label it by UV unwrapping the mesh. This method can be used to UV map any cylindrical objects in the future. I'll post a link to this tutorial's reference image in the description below. Create a cylinder, scale it and use Ctrl+R with the mouse wheel to create two loop cuts like this. Select the top face and press I as in India to extrude inward. Press E to extrude on the Z-axis. To fix this, we could either add more loop cuts around the edges or just use Auto Smooth. Let's apply a basic material for the drum. We need 3 materials in total. Open another Blender window and go to the top view. Select these vertices in wireframe mode and scale them. Shift D to duplicate and rotate it with R like this. Move the duplicated mesh on the X-axis while holding Ctrl and you'll be able to snap the mesh to the grid. Apply the materials like this. Let's add the array modifier to the mesh. Please turn off Use Node under compositing before rendering. On the first Blender window, let's export the UV of the third material we have created. Open them in Photoshop. Copy and paste the pattern image to the UV export image. Please make sure the UV grid layer is placed below the pattern image and use Ctrl+T to scale it. The pattern image will automatically snap into the grid. Let's save the file and open it in Blender's shading. There is our pattern. Let's create a drumstick with a UV sphere and a cylinder. Let's set up the render scene by pressing Ctrl, Alt and numpad 0. Create a ground plane and turn it into a light bouncing wall. Please watch a tutorial listed in the description to match my final render settings, as I'm using a cloned look dev HDRI setting. We need to shade smooth the drum stick. This is the end of the drum labeling tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.